Hello, my name is Erik van den Haute. I am a full-time professor at the Université Libre de Bruxelles, and in this dual master's program, the Executive Master International Business Law, I teach a course of private international law. Now, what is private international law important for? What does private international law deal with? Well, private international law deals with a basic problem in law. The basic problem in law is that law rules are very often mostly national rules. But businesses don't stop at borders. Businesses have a very international activity. So how do you deal with a situation when the situation is international? Which rules are you going to apply? Which law are you going to apply? When a French company sells to a company in Singapore, or when a company in Hong Kong sells to a company in Phnom Penh, which laws do you have to apply? The issue of the applicable law. Also, one of the questions of private international law is the question, if you have a dispute, an international dispute, which court will have to deal with the situation? The court from which country will have to deal with the situation? Which is important for a third question, because when you get a decision at the end of your dispute, when the court has analyzed the merits of the case and you get a very good decision, you still need to enforce that decision. And sometimes the assets are located elsewhere in another country. Now, when the assets are located in another country, well, then you need to have your judgment recognized in this other country. And this is the third issue with which private international law will deal. So, which law is applicable to a situation, to an international situation? Which court has jurisdiction to deal with an international situation? And what are the conditions in order to get the recognition of a judgment abroad? If you know a little bit more about private international law, it will always provide you the edge in the field, because most practitioners ignore the rules of private international law and are therefore disadvantaged, because these rules are really very important and are a little bit complicated sometimes, so it's very important to have a good knowledge of this area, of this branch of law.